I just tested a stack of printers, so you don't have to. Today, the top 4 printers you can buy in 2025. Can they deliver pro-looking output and low running costs at home and in small offices? I ran real-world tests for home offices, photo pros, students, and small businesses. No brochure fluff. We're talking print technology, speed, cost per page, connectivity, and output quality. Are these actually good, or just spec sheet hype? We're about to find out. Key buyer criteria that actually matter. Watch for these. An on-screen checklist will pop up as we go. Connectivity matters. USB for local jobs, plus Wi-Fi or Ethernet for shared networks and mobile printing. Also check duplex printing, ADF for multi-page scans, and app support. We're going to run document, photo, and cost per page tests, measure speed and duplex efficiency, and stress photo quality across glossy and matte papers. Pick 1. Epson EcoTank ET4800, cartridge-free super tank for ultra-low running costs. Pick 2. Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 310, a 13-inch pro photo printer with 9-color pigment inks. Pick 3. Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 3, instant smartphone printer for parties and scrapbooks. Pick 4. Epson Workforce Pro WF 4830, a fast all-in-one office workhorse. Links and latest prices in the description. Let's print, and as always, the links to all products are in the description, updated with the best prices. So, make sure you use them. First up, Epson EcoTank ET4800. If you're done burning cash on cartridges, this cartridge-free super tank crushes cost per page for busy families and home offices. High-capacity tanks plus keyed EcoFit bottles. Click in, no squeeze, auto stop at full, clean refills, minimal waste. Epson heat-free micro piezo tech lays down crisp black text and vibrant color on plain paper. No warm-up drama. With no tiny cartridges to toss, you cut landfill waste and slash running costs over time. Connectivity is covered. Wi-Fi for the household, Wi-Fi direct for guests, and Ethernet for rock-solid reliability. Built-in ADF handles multi-page scans while the flatbed covers IDs, receipts, and photos, hands-off convenience. The front panel keeps setup and maintenance simple, guided Wi-Fi, nozzle checks, and ink levels at a glance. App control from the couch, print, scan, copy, and manage ink with Epson Smart Panel on your phone or tablet. Proof time, text sample, shows dense, clean blacks that make invoices and homework look pro. Color chart, solid fills, gradients, and fine lines stay balanced on standard paper. ADF demo, stack pages, press start, and capture a clean multi-page PDF without babysitting. Ink windows make levels obvious. Plan refills, avoid surprises. EcoFit bottles are keyed, black to black, color to color. Price at capture, $219.99, 27% off. Check links in the description for the latest price and availability. Best for families and home offices that want ultra-low running costs, everyday reliability, and simple app-driven control. Next up, gallery quality at home, Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 310, a compact 13-inch photo printer that brings pro lab detail to your desk. Watch the print head sweep, clean passes, precise dot placement, laying down color on a full bleed 13-inch sheet. 9-color Lucia Pro 2. Pigment inks, plus Chroma Optimizer, this combo evens out surface gloss, reduces bronzing, and resists scuffs right out of the tray. Smooth tonal ramps, no banding, so skies, shadows, and subtle gradients look continuous on both glossy and semi-gloss papers. Dedicated matte black boosts DMAX for deeper blacks, richer shadows and structure on matte and fine art stocks. Skin tones land naturally, fine microdots preserve pores and hair detail without over-sharpened halos. Reliability. Anti-clogging keeps nozzles consistent for fewer purges, while skew correction straightens misfeed so you waste less paper. Load a 13-inch sheet, choose media type, and the transport guides feed smoothly for borderless output. A bright 3-inch color LCD shows ink levels, media settings, and job status at a glance. Maintenance tasks are guided and quick. Studio Vibe, a gallery wall of glossy prints and a stack of matte fine art sheets. Consistent color across papers ties a series together. Use cases, photographers and illustrators making archival prints up to 13 inches, design proofs, portfolios and limited editions with predictable gloss and durable surfaces. Price at capture, $828.88, 15% off when recorded. Prices move, check the latest via the links below. Best for photographers and artists who demand color accuracy, deep matte blacks, and gallery-ready finishes, right from a 13-inch desktop printer. Number 3. Fujifilm Instax Mini-Link 3, instant party prints in about 15 seconds. Tap, swipe, print, and pass it on. Connect with the free Instax Mini-Link app, choose a photo, adjust crop, and hit print. No learning curve. Instax IR adds playful AR doodles. Draw a heart, sparkle a name, or drop arrows that show up on the print. Pick your look. Instax Rich for punchy color, or Instax Natural for classic film tones. Build quick collages, grid multiple photos into one print for party highlights or mood boards. Add sticker frames and captions right in the app. Cute borders, dates, and names for easy gifting. USB-C charging makes top-ups easy, and yes, the cable's in the box. Workflow sample. Pick photo. Add Instax AR sparkles. Choose Instax Rich, print, and share. About 15 seconds to wow. The bundle is stacked. Printer, twin pack film, protective case, sticker frames, and a USB-C cable. Parties and events. Make a mini guest book, stick prints on a board, and send everyone home with memories. Scrapbooks and keepsakes. Journal the moment, label the print, and preserve the vibe. Quick gifts. Tag a photo with a doodle and a note, print on the spot, and gift it with a smile. Price at capture. $143.95. Check the latest price. Links are in the description. Best for parties, scrapbooks, and quick keepsakes straight from your phone. Snap, edit, print, done. Choose Instax Rich or Natural. Add Instax AIR flare and watch it develop in seconds. Then keep the fun going. Collage it, frame it, and stick it in your journal. Links are below. Grab the bundle and start printing memories tonight. Fourth pick, Epson Workforce Pro WF4830, an office workhorse built for speed and volume. Precision core heat-free tech hits up to 25 black and 12 color ISO pages per minute with a quick first page out. Durabright ultra pigment inks and accurate dot placement deliver professional-looking text and graphics. It's a full duplex suite, auto two-sided print, copy, scan, and fax, plus a 50-sheet ADF for hands-free stacks. Two 250-sheet trays, 500 sheets total, so teams refill less and print more. Control is simple with the 4.3-inch color touchscreen and the Epson Smart Panel app when you're away from the desk. Setup is fast via BLE with Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet for flexible, reliable networking. Price at capture, $169.99, 39% off. Links in the description. Check the latest price. Best for small offices that need fast duplex workflows and big paper capacity without the cartridge hassle. Real-world speed matters. Think invoices, packets, labels. This keeps up when deadlines stack up. Duplex saves paper automatically. Two-sided reports look clean and professional. Load the ADF, tap start, and it churns multi-page scans into a single, shareable PDF. Dual 250-sheet trays handle letterheads, forms, and regular paper without swapping. The 4.3-inch touchscreen makes shortcuts easy. Copy sets, duplex presets, scan to email. From the Smart Panel app, check ink, run maintenance, and queue a print right from your phone. Use cases, forms packets, shipping labels, training manuals, high volume without babysitting the tray. Check the links for current pricing, deals change, and I've pinned the best offers below. Bottom line, a fast, duplex-ready workhorse with big capacity, ideal for small offices and busy teams. Here's your quick roundup and buying guide for the best printers of 2025. Epson EcoTank ET4800, cartridge-free SuperTank, heat-free tech, scanner, copier, fax, ADF, Ethernet. Price, $219.99 at capture. Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 310, 9-color pigment with chroma optimizer. Anti-clogging, 3-inch LCD. Price, $828.88 at capture. Fujifilm Instax Mini-Link 3, instant smartphone printer bundle, 15-second prints, USB-C, fun effects. Price, $143.95 at capture. Epson Workforce Pro WF4830, fast duplex all-in-one, 50 sheet ADF, 500 sheet capacity, Pro pigment output. Price, $169.99 at capture. Decision tree, lowest running costs and home office, EcoTank ET4800, Pro photo and fine art, Canon PRO310, instant mobile prints. Instax Mini-Link 3, fast office workflows and big trays, WF4830. Links are in the description. Prices change, check latest. If this helped, subscribe for more tested pics and tutorials. Thanks for watching.